Well, Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to the live trading room. First day of the year. This is January, first working day of the year, January 2nd, 2025. Actually got it right the first time. That's amazing. Thought I'd be saying 2024 for at least halfway through the year. But anyway, welcome, guys. I'm glad you're back. I hope you all had a wonderful New Year's, safe and wonderful New Year. So we're going to make it a great year this year. You should have all received the invite to the winter live meeting coming up end of this month. So please take advantage of that. If you can, we'd love to see everyone there. Anyway, here was Tuesday's trades. We had four positive trades. On Wednesday, had some nice price movement early in the morning. And well, really had some good price movement throughout the day. There were just some couple of slow periods, but it was pretty good price movement throughout the day. So let's see. Q closed up just slightly at 511.57 and it's currently sitting at 514.49. So no gap play this morning, at least not yet. Let's move on up. Still getting used to this, how this new computer works here. Yep, 514.41. Let me let in a few people. Let's head over to the option chain. So we're going to be trading tomorrow's expiration, which is 3 January 25 on your option chain. We've got 1.2 million already traded in pre-market volume. So pretty good volume to start out with. And we will start excuse me, at or near the money at the 514 on the call side, 515 on the put side. And prices on the put side are a little expensive this morning, but those will come down. And the call side will probably come up a little bit when we get all the pre-market volume figured into the options pricing. And that's it for that. Let's say good morning to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith, and Happy New Year, buddy.
Good morning, Tim. Happy New Year, Tim. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope you had a good celebration over the holidays here. Um, have a few announcements that came out this morning. Mortgage applications came out this morning at 7 o'clock. We're down from last month a bit. Continuing jobless claims came out at 8:30, along with initial jobless claims, and they were about what were expected. Although the continued or the initial claims were down a little bit from expected, and we will have a S&P Global Manufacturing PMI report coming out at 9:45, and a construction spending at 10 o'clock. And we have one bond auction, a 4-week bond auction at 11:30 today. So that's the extent of the announcements on this first trading day of 2025.
All righty. Thank you, sir. Let's let Nick in here real quick. And let's make sure that we have, there we go, 20 cents between each of our hash marks on next to our charts so that we're looking at the same size candles from day to day. Very important. I'll move that out of the way. There we go. We got about 30 seconds before we start. And let's make it a good first day of the year, first trading day of the year. What else? Anything else? Nope. And I have my video on, so for better or for worse, you can see my face. Here we go in five, four, three, two, one. And we are in and off. Getting a bit of a push down right off the bat. I lost my 100,000 volume line here, which I'll probably put in real quick. And let's let in somebody. Edit that. Turn this on. Turn this on. Let's go. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There we go. There's our $100,000 line. Price moving back up. And we'll see what our markets are doing. Let me log into my Schwab and get some real live numbers. Okay, so Dow is up 334, Nas is up 104, S&P's up 34, so pretty positive market. Probably going to let the first 5 minutes or so go by here before we entertain a trade. Kind of let this first early craziness go by. So, lots of football yesterday, with the notable exception of Georgia being postponed till today because of the tragedy that happened in New Orleans. And I'll be the first to tell you, I do not understand that. But prayers and blessings to the families and those affected. All right, let's look over at the option chain here. I'll be at the money. 514 on the call side, 515 on the put side. I'll stay at the money. Things are just a wee bit more expensive, one in the money, so maybe at the 516 on the put side. Yeah, 516 on the put side if we head that direction. We're in the third minute, got 1.9 million, about to head over to 2 million. Yep. Wow. All right. Whoops. Sorry about that. Somebody in. All right, let's head over to that 515 on the put side. 515 on the put side. Big push down going here. Yeah, I don't know, folks. I don't like it. It was a sudden push down. Could be a crazy Ivan going on right now.
I put a pseudo supply zone at the top of the first 5 minute candle.
Okay. Put that in a minute here. Keeping an eye on this. All right, looking at the 514 on the put side, the 514. All right, I'm going to enter this 514. or tried, not getting filled.
I got filled at 4:31.
Okay, trying again. Oh, what is going on here?
I'm going to try to take profit here.
All right, I just got filled at 460.
I got in at 4:31, out at 4:75.
Wow,
Wow.
nice.
Nice.
I got in way
I
late.
I took 513, 372,
Nice,
407.
nice going, guys.
I got 93 cents.
Oh my goodness. Who is that? That Tom?
Carlos. It's Israel. Good morning, everyone.
Israel. Nice job, Israel.
Good morning.
And I went 460 to 492.
All right.
You are okay.
Yeah, we'll take it.
That MACD's down minus 1.7.
Wow. Wow. Holy smokes.
The 5-minute MACD's down to 1.9.
Man, massive sell-off.
We're right to bouncing around yesterday's or Friday's, kind of Fridays. I'm all whacked up on what day it is. Tuesday's close.
So NASDAQ has gone negative to negative 7, 6, 10, around there. It's bouncing around. Let's see if we're going to get a reversal here and get some retracement. That was a huge sell-off we just had there. Everyone made some money, so that's a great way to start.
Yeah, I'll second that.
I'll bet. All right, so on the call side, I'm going to go to the 511 on the call side. So at the money on the call side, if we get there, might still have some selling off we need to do. But we'll probably wait for retracement here. So still selling off.
Tom, Tim,
Yeah.
uh,
Hey, Israel.
I made my limit. Should I just call it a day?
I would, if you're happy with it.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Yeah, I mean, I say walk away with the money.
Okay, I'll run.
And that's you bring up a good point, Israel, about when to say when. You have a couple of big, massive wins on here. Take the money, call it a day, be grateful, and come back again tomorrow.
I think I'll do that.
Hmm.
It The mistake I made previously was not calling it a day. I did it once or twice, and I told you about it.
Yeah,
The other
yeah,
times I continued, and it bit me in the rear.
yeah, yeah. It'll do that. We'll start. kind of into this false thinking that it's just going to continue on and it's just going to be that easy, but we do one trade at a time and it honor your rules and your limits. But look, you made all the money you need to make in 5 minutes. That's not a bad way to work.
Pick bounced off for Tuesday's low.
Okay. Up at Tuesday's low. Okay. All right. Keeping an eye on this 510 on the call side. Boy, it's expensive on the call side. Maker trying to get a reversal started here. Dow is still up 165, NASDAQ down 19, S&P is up by 9.
Just a reminder, we have that one announcement coming out in about 3 minutes.
Okay.
5.
Keeping an eye on this retracement. We want to see it grow a bit more before we consider getting into a call trade. All right. I'm going to go to the 511 on the call side. 511 at the money. Getting some pushback now.
I'm going to wait for this announcement.
Yeah. Oops. Yeah, there's no guarantee we'll get a retracement. It's just often when we have this deep of a sell-off early on, we tend to get a retracement. Volume has been real good. Most of the minutes have been over 100,000. Got 3.9 million in the underlying. Coming up on the announcement here. There we go.
Came out just a little bit higher than anticipated on that announcement.
Okay. Let's see how they use the news. Still standing by on this 511 on the call side. We can put in a demand zone on the bottom now. So sneak in this demand zone real quick. Go. All right, let's head over to that 511 on the call side. Yeah, getting quite a bit of pushback.
You think so?
Yeah, I could be wrong about that, Keith, but
I was just about ready to push the button too. By the way, I saw your announcement that came out, Tim. Nice work on that.
Thank you. All right, what do you think, Keith?
I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try to get in
All
on
right,
that.
let's go ahead and let's go ahead and get into this if we can, folks. Oh, pass me by. Oh, no, it didn't. Got me in. Thank
I
you.
got in at 4:15.
Okay, I got in at 408. All right, I'm gonna take some profit here. Let's go ahead and take some profit. There we are. Out at 426, 408 to 426. Ooh, nice pop.
All right, I just got out. I put that limit up at VWAP. Got
Okay,
in at 4:15, out at 4:52.
nice. Let's see here. So starting out the new year very nicely. I'm gonna go back to the 513 on the call side. Just keep an eye on this. Push through VWAP pretty easily there, but struggling to kind of move any further.
Well, as negative as the MACD was on the Heiken-Aussie chart, we're back positive now, up 0.3.
Mm-hmm.
5-minute MACD's just about ready to cross going up.
Yeah, while we're up here, I'm going to go ahead and put a pseudo supply zone in. Up a bit. There we go. About to break through. Had to just take a dive and sell off and fill the warehouse. That early sell-off that we had. All right, we're breaking through. Breaking through the supply zone and continuing up. So I'm going to go to the 513 on the call side. Just continue to monitor this. Wow. Dow's up 294, Nas up 141, S&P up 38. That's turned around nicely. We are
Got the pop at the top in about 5 minutes.
Yep.
Although I think we might have already just had the pop.
I think so. Just got a text. 3 trades for plus 98. Nice job. Hey, I want to say good morning. We have a visitor, Victor, is joining us today. I'm glad you're here, Victor. Checking us out. It was a good day to be checking us out, too. Coming up on 2 minutes from the pop. Finding some resistance up near this 515.80 right now. Be time for a little bit of reversal to happen here. Yes. John, outside Boston. Hey, John. Nice trading today. Says all done. Thanks. You're very welcome. You can see the long wicks on either side and the short body. It just shows indecision in the market right now.
We are in the pop too.
And we are in the pop. There we are.
that construction spending came in a little bit less than anticipated.
Okay.
They're expecting a positive 0.3%. It came out flat.
Hmm. So while we're waiting for trades, I'm going to give a little tour of our charts here for Victor. So Victor, upper left chart is just a regular 1 minute chart with a volume subchart. We have a red line here set for 100,000. We do that just as a guide. We know that the market maker likes to see higher volumes in order to get trends and breakouts going. So just through the years, we've come to find that that's about 100,000 a minute for that. Below that is a 5 minute chart with a custom MACD, um, moving average convergence divergence study. Below that, we use the 5 minute chart to set our zones on our supply and demand zones, are on that. That's part of our active indicators that we use along with the MACD. Generally, when the blue line's above the gold, we're looking to be in it's a call bias position, generally looking for a call. That's more true on the 1 minute than on the 5 minute. 5 minute takes a little longer to get there, but the 5 minute shows us a longer term trend. And to the right of that, bottom right, is another 1 minute chart, but it's in the Heikenase view mode. And the Heikenase view, if you're not familiar with it, averages price over two candles. So it takes out the high and low, kind of the jitteriness of pricing that we see on the 1 minute, gets smoothed out on this. So we can see trends, obviously much better with that. And then the upper right is just a instance of active trader, um, which a lot of people use. I don't uh, use it. Once in a while I do, but I use the option chain on it's on a second monitor of mine, and you can't see that. So price is going up again. So that's just a quick tour of what we do in our indicators. Got a in the chat box from AE Trades. I'm doing good today as well, sir. Thank you for your daily guidance. I'm up 600. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. I love to hear that. Like we're beginning to break out again on the top side. So I'm going to go to the 515 on the call side, 515. Keep an eye on this. Like it to pull back a bit before getting into a call trade.
Yeah, same here. Actually, with these long wicks, it might be setting up for a put too.
Yeah. Just kind of moving in a pretty tight little range right here. All right. Starting to break out here a little bit. Still keeping an eye on the 515 on the call side. Dow's up 317 now. Now's up 202. S&P up 51. Guys, excuse me just for a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So price slowly rising. Boy, this 5 minute candle's been all green since that retracement from earlier.
Trying to empty the warehouse.
Yep.
I probably am not going to do any other trading unless there's some low hanging fruit. I'm up 3 trades for $1.02.
Nice.
I think I'll follow Israel's steps and say, no, that's good enough for me today.
Uh-huh. Well, I've got 2 trades up 50. Wouldn't mind doing one more trade, but I'm also happy where I'm at. Time to dip down, refill the warehouse. Or Crazy Ivan, perhaps. Wow, price dropping pretty fast here. Back down to and we do have a supply zone now.
Quite a distance between the supply zone and the demand zone, huh?
Boy, no kidding. I'm gonna head over to the 515 on the put side, guys. 515. Stand by. I'm gonna enter this 515.
I got in at 367.
I got in at 376.
I'm going to try to take profit here.
Yeah, me too. Come on, Bill. There we go. Yeah, got out 376 to 385.
367 to 397.
Wow.
Tim, is it still going down?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, it sure is in a big way.
I mean, she still should have been riding that horse, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Wait for the reversal on this. Yeah, let me fix this one here. Still going down. Yeah, just got a text. I understand. Hey, yeah. Well, hopefully we get a nice retracement from this.
Well, we hit those at the nice times today on a couple of those moves.
Mm-hmm.
Haven't gotten every penny out of it, but boy, no complaints here.
No, no kidding. You've really been nailing it.
Yeah, I've had in the two accounts, I've had 5 trades up $1.59.
Wow.
I'm done for the day.
All right, I'm going to go back to the 512 on the call side, 512. All right, I'm going to enter this 512 and it blew right by me. Cancel that. All right, stand by on this 512 on the call side. I'm going to go ahead and try to enter this and got in at 393.
think our favorite market makers come off vacation.
I think so. Yeah. All right, getting out of this. All right, so we are an hour in. We've got 9,900,000, about to hit 10 million on the underlying. Dow's up 59, Nas up 45, S&P up 15. Right, it's trying to climb back out of this hole. Some of these charts set. Okay. Come on up, Bryce. Come on up. Get a direction going here. We're just kind of going all over the board here. Got our 1 minute MACD has gone into the call bias position. 5 minute is still in the put position.
Hey, Tim, this is Keith. I think I'm going to need to step aside here. So
Okay.
I will be back in the morning.
All right, buddy. Great day for you.
Yes, sir. All right. Have a good day, everybody.
Okay.
Bye.
So we got the Dow up 85, NASDAQ's up 23, S&P's up 12. Let's see. Starting to see a little bit of reversal here. We'll probably go to 10 of this morning, folks. Things are pretty slow right now. Price coming back up. Keep it going up, Tim. Yeah, absolutely. Come on, Price. Come on up. Breakthrough VWAP and get up to the supply zone. There it goes. All right, I'm going to take profit. All right, got out at 410. 393 to 410, finally. That's 76. All right, guys, I think we're going to go ahead and wrap it up for today. So that's 4 trades up 76. Pleased with that. It's a good way to start the year. Hope you all had a great day this morning, and we'll see you all back tomorrow morning. All right. You guys have a great day and talk to you tomorrow.
Yes, good morning. Sorry, who is this? Hey, Vicky, Happy New Year to you. It's nearly a perfect year so far. Okay. I have labs scheduled for the 29th of January, and I need to move them out a week, maybe 2 weeks. Probably 2 weeks. Labs. Yeah, right. Yes. 212. $11:30 labs is perfect. Yeah, the first one was 11:30, wasn't it? Okay, and so we're going to do 11 o'clock on 19th. Okay, I'm all done. Yeah, I hope so too. Thank you much. You take care. Bye-bye. Bye. Yeah, Noel, Steve Ritchie, and I need a haircut coming up with Barbara.